Hello, hi, it's Liz here and it's Sunday, it's WhatNot day. So I've got my little WhatNot book out and I will show you the WhatNot that we are going to do today. And it's this one, and it's going to be a little flip opening. How cute is that, with a tiny little bit of journaling space, or you can do a little collage in there or keep a little ticket, something, and it's got a little brad policy closure. I think is that policy? Is that what you call them? I'm not sure. Anyway, how cute is that? And it just sits in that little pocket there. So let's make one together. I'm so chuffed. So chuffed. Love this so much. So anyway, they're 2 inches as always. So you need two 2 inches today. And with one of them, we just fold just to make a little hinge. So just at a little bit of a fold. And any piece of paper, I've just used some old scrapbook paper that I had a little bit of, and we're just going to attach it on like that on the back. So a little bit of glue down that little spine or hinge. I'm keeping this upside down because there's just a little bit left. I don't have much left of it. And I want that to be the front, and I want that to be the front. The splattered side. It came pre-splattered. Just rub off the excess glue there. There we are. So we've got a nice little hinged WhatNot. Okay, so we'll sit and let that dry just now, and we'll make the little closure. So I'm just going to use the same paper, but I'm going to use the floral side this time. It's yeah, but I've got this little bit, and I've got this little tiny circle punch, and I'm just going to cut out 2 circles. Oops. There we are. And that's woodware. I've had it many years, little tiny circle punch. Okay, so we're going to just punch a little hole in this. Not punch. We're going to just make a little hole for the brad to go through. Somewhere in the middle-ish. Mind your fingers. And I've got this little brad, which looks like a little tulip, maybe, a little flower. If I can get, it's starting to split, and I want to hold the 2 legs together. Get the 2 legs through, and then we just split them apart. There we are. Then I like to just pull up the top bit a little bit, so that I can easily get the twine through when it comes to doing the twine. Yeah, just split them a little bit. I think it also adds to the look. So that'll just glue onto there. Yep, let's just cut our bit of twine just now. I'll just guess a length of twine, and I'll just start it in there. Pull it a wee bit tight, and I just wrap it round a couple of times, and then that's us. We're good to go. So the twine goes in between the 2 pieces. Right, let's decorate it a little bit. So the other one had some brown, no, it was tea-dyed paper. I just put on top of that just as a little journaling spot. So, but this one has got plainish paper anyway, so we don't need to put anything on the inside. But wait till I show you what I'm going to do, because I'm forgetting I do have something for the inside. But we're going to put that on the outside anyway. I do have this little photograph. I changed my mind at the last minute. I was going to leave it plain, and I'll tell you what happened. In fact, I don't need glue on that. That's a sticker. Oh dear. And I knew that was a sticker. So we don't need glue just now. I'll tell you why I changed my mind. I was looking for words that would be appropriate. This is chit chat, ideology, and I found small and photo, and that caught my eye, and I thought, yeah, put some. This one's got little art on it, so you could maybe do a wee drawing or a wee collage on the inside. But I thought, when I saw small photo, I thought, small photo, and then put a small photo inside. And I thought that was quite cute, so we'll do that. I'm just button that right up to the edge there, because I want, when I want this bit to be plain. Don't want that peeking through. I don't know why I want that, but that's what I want. There. A fine little chap. That's us. And I think a little bit of rickrack just picks up the pink a little bit. We'll use this. We'll just get a line of glue along the edge there. It won't take much to hold that little bit of rickrack in place. Yeah. I'm just going to leave the ends hanging over a little bit. Yeah. And as a finishing touch, we'll just put our little closure on there. Oh, and I've left this the right way up. Maybe there's enough in the nozzle. Keep it upside down in this little top of a Yankee candle. The top of a Yankee candle, and it just keeps it upside down. What do I like? Right. Just in the middle there. And I won't really wrap that round until that dries. But I think that's quite cute. So make a little mini pocket for them. Yeah, that'll go. It's nearly dry. If I'm gentle with it, it will be fine. Oh. And then I've got this one as spare. Yeah. So that's us. That's today's WhatNot. I do like them. They're very cute, aren't they? Very cute. Right, okie doke. So thanks for joining me today. If you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs up would be great, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.